जय माधव
जगन्नाथ
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate ଗତକାଲି ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିଥିଲୁ ଭଗବାନ ନାରାୟଣ ନିଜକୁ ଅଂଶ ଅଂଶରେ ଚାରି ଅଂଶ ବିଭକ୍ତ ହୋଇ ମହାରାଜ ଦଶରଥଙ୍କ ପୁତ୍ର ରୂପେ ଆବିର୍ଭୂତ ହୋଇଥିଲେ ସେଇ କଥା ଆମେ ଗତକାଲି ଆଲୋଚନା କଲୁ।
Yesterday Maharaj discussed about how Bhagavan Narayana created four expansion and one from Dasarath Maharaj, son of Dasarath Maharaj, Ramchandra. That was discussed yesterday.
ତେଣୁ ସୁମନ୍ତ ପ୍ରଧାନମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସୁମନ୍ତଙ୍କର ପରାମର୍ଶ ମହାରାଜ ଦଶରଥ ବିଶ୍ୱସିଂହ ମୁନିଙ୍କ ସହାୟତା ନେଇ ଏ ଅଷ୍ଟମୀ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିଥିଲେ ତାପରେ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିଥିଲେ।
Sumanta, son of Dasharatha is the son of Sumanta, and he did Asuma Yajna, and from that Asuma Yajna he got son.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ଯଜ୍ଞ କରିଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଚକ୍ର କୁଣ୍ଡରୁ ବିଷ୍ଣୁଦୂତ ଏକ ସ୍ୱର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଳସ ଚରୁ ନେଇ ଉତ୍ଥିତ ହୋଇଥିଲେ।
When that Yajna was done, during that time Vishnuduta took one pot from that Yajna kunda, and from that pot they gave some nectar.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ବିଷ୍ଣୁଦୂତ ଏ ଚରୁ ସହ ସୁବର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏ କଳସ ମହାରାଜ ଦଶରଥଙ୍କ ହାତରେ ଉଠାଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
So the Vishnuduta they gave that golden pot with nectar to Maharaj Dasharatha.
ସେ କହିଥିଲେ ଏହାକୁ ନେଇ ରାଣୀମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ବିପରୀତ କରିଦେବ ତାହେଲେ ଚାରିଜଣ ଯଶସ୍ୱୀ ପୁତ୍ରକୁ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହୋଇପାରିବେ।
They told this Vishnuduta told to Maharaj that if you distribute this nectar to all the queens of your kingdom, then they will get four nice sons.
ତେଣୁ ସେ ଚୋରକୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ବିଭାଗ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଭାଗ ପୁରୁଷମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା।
So he distributed that nectar into four parts, and one part he gave to Rani Kausalya, Queen Kausalya.
ଆଉ ଯେ ଏକ ଭାଗ ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ବିଭାଗ କରାଗଲା। ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଭାଗ ଦିଆଗଲା ସୁମିତ୍ରାଙ୍କୁ।
The rest, whatever remaining was there, is divided into two parts, and one part he gave to Queen Sumitra.
ଅବଶିଷ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁ 25 ଭାଗ ରହିଲା ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଚାରି ଭାଗର ଏକ ଭାଗ 25 ଭାଗରେ ତାକୁ ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ବିଭାଗ କରାଗଲା। ଦୁଇ ଭାଗ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଭାଗ କୈକେୟୀଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା।
So rest 25%. So 50% gave to Kausalya, 25% gave to Sumitra, and rest 25% again split into two parts. One part he gave to
କୈକେୟୀ।
Timon.
ଅବଶିଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଭାଗ ଥିଲା 12.5%, ତାକୁ ପୁଣି ସୁମିତ୍ରାଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଗଲା।
The rest 12.5%, whatever remaining was there, that again gave to Queen Sumitra.
এইগুলো ধর 12 মাস ସେମାନେ ଗର୍ଭ ଧାରଣ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ଚୈତ୍ର ମାସ ଶୁକ୍ଳ ପକ୍ଷ ପୁନର୍ବସୁ ନକ୍ଷତ୍ରରେ ନବମୀ ତିଥିରେ କୌଶଲଙ୍କ ଗର୍ଭରୁ ଭଗବାନ ନାରାୟଣ ରାମ ରୂପରେ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କଲେ।
So in this way, all going they conceived, and after 12 months, and in Chaitra, in the month of Chaitra, Tithi is Navami, Purnamasa Tithi, that Tithi, that day, Bhagavan Ramachandra came from the womb of Mother Kausalya.
ତା ପରଦିନ କୈକେୟୀଙ୍କ ଗର୍ଭରୁ ଏ ପୁଷ୍ୟା ନକ୍ଷତ୍ରରେ ଭରତ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କଲେ।
So next, from the womb of Mother Kaikeyi, Bharata Maharaj came as Pushya Nakshatra. The Nakshatra was Pushya Nakshatra, and that day Bharata Maharaj came.
ତା ପରଦିନ ସୁମିତ୍ରାଙ୍କ ଗର୍ଭରୁ ଯେଉଁ ଅଶ୍ଳେଷା ନକ୍ଷତ୍ରରେ ଯେଉଁ ଯମଜ ପୁତ୍ର ଜାତ ହେଲେ।
Next day, from the womb of Mother Sumitra, twins brother that took birth, the Nakshatra was Aslesha.
ଏ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଲା ଲକ୍ଷ୍ମଣ ଏବଂ ଶତ୍ରୁଘ୍ନ।
So those two who came from Mother womb Sumitra, their name became Lakshmana and Shatrugna.
ତେଣୁ ଏମାନଙ୍କର ବିଷୟରେ ସ୍କନ୍ଦ ପୁରାଣ ପଦ୍ମ ପୁରାଣରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ ଅଛି। ସେଠାରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ସ୍କନ୍ଦ ପୁରାଣ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆଦି ଚତୁର୍ଭୁଜେ ଅବତାରୀ 4 ଜଣ।
So all these things have been mentioned in Skanda Purana and Padma Purana. So in that Skanda Purana it has been mentioned that all four they came.
चतुर्भुज लास्ट क्वार्टर चतुर्भुज वासुदेव संकर्षण प्रद्युम्न अनिरुद्ध।
So Sankarsana Narayana, Sankarsana Pradyumna Aniruddha, those four they came in the form of Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna.
वासुदेव का अवतार भगवान रामचंद्र, संकर्षण का अवतार लक्ष्मण, प्रद्युम्न का अवतार भरत और अनिरुद्ध का अवतार शत्रुघ्न।
Vyasadeva, incarnation of Vyasadeva is Ramachandra. Vasudeva. Incarnation of Vasudeva is Ramachandra. Sankarsana is Lakshmana. Incarnation of Pradyumna is Bharata. And Aniruddha, incarnation of Aniruddha is Shatrugna.
ये स्कंद पुराण एक उल्लेख करेगा।
This has been mentioned in Skanda Purana.
पुनी पद्म पुराण कहा जाए कि नारायण का अवतार होते भगवान रामचंद्र।
Again in Padma Purana it has been mentioned that Bhagavan Ramachandra is the incarnation of Bhagavan Narayana.
अनंत व शेष नागर अवतार होते लक्ष्मण।
And Ananta Seshadev.
अनंत शेष
Ananta Seshadev, incarnation of Ananta Seshadev is Lakshmana.
लक्ष्मण और भगवान का हाथे जे 5 जन शंख अच्छी से शंख अवतार होते भरत।
So in the hand of Bhagavan, one conch is there, Panchamukhi conch.
पंचजन
Panchajana conch is there. That is, the incarnation is Bharata.
भगवान के हाथ में जो सुदर्शन चक्र अच्छी से सुदर्शन चक्र अवतार होते शत्रुघ्न।
So incarnation of Sudarshan Chakra is Shatrugna.
एक भाव देखने के बाद भिन्न भिन्न मत किंतु सब मत ठीक है भिन्न भिन्न कर्म एक भिन्न भाव अवतीर्ण होना।
So we saw in different skandas and Puranas, different opinions are there, but Bhagavan came in whatever may be mentioned in skandas and Puranas, Bhagavan came in picture in different ways, different times.
समस्त जानती भगवान रामचंद्र आशीते त्रेता युग।
So everybody knows that Bhagavan Ramachandra came in Treta Yuga, that Bhagavan Ramachandra came.
यदि क्यों त्रेता युग आशीते हमें की सब बातें जानते हैं।
Many don't know how Bhagavan Ramachandra
ଆମେ ସାର ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଉଛୁ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡର ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ 1000 ଚତୁର୍ଥୀ।
We saw Brahma's one day is 1000 Chatur.
1000 ଚତୁର୍ଥୀ।
1000 ଚତୁର୍ଯୁଗ।
1000 ଚତୁର୍ଯୁଗକୁ ଯଦି 14 ଭାଗ ବିଭାଗ କରାଯିବ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଭାଗରେ 71 ଚତୁର୍ଯୁଗ ଆସିବ।
If we distributed this 1000 Chaturjuga into 4 parts, each part will count 14 parts, and each part will count 71 Chaturjuga.
एक 71 चतुर्युग माने एक मनुष्य शासन पीरियड।
So this 71 Chaturjuga means one Manu's period means
एक व्यवहार ब्रह्मांडर गोटे दिन जाके 12 घंटा कहा जाଉଛି ताकि मते एक कल्प कहा जाଉଛି। एक कल्प मध्य 14 जन मनुष्य आसते।
so 14 Manus came in Brahma's one Kalpa Yuga.
प्रत्येक मनुष्य शासन पीरियड 71 चतुर्युग एपरि प्रथम मनु थिले स्वयं ब्रह्म।
So each Manu's period is 71 Kalpa Yuga, and first Manu is who?
स्वयं ब्रह्म
Son of
ब्रह्म।
Son of Brahma, Swayam Brahma.
द्वितीय मनु सारथिसम।
Second Manu is
सारथिस।
Saraj.
तृतीय मनु उत्तम।
Third Manu is Uttama,
चतुर्थ मनु तामसम।
and Tamasa.
पंचम मनु दैवतम।
Fifth Manu is Daivam.
षष्ठ मनु थिले चाक्षुषम।
Sixth is Chatusha.
ये चाक्षुष मनु शासन पीरियड ये भगवान नृसिंहदेव हिरण्यकशिपु प्रासादे खंबा प्रकट है हिरण्यकशिपु बध करी प्रहलाद को रक्षा करे।
So in the period of Chatusha Manu, Bhagavan Nrsimhadeva came out from the pillar and killed Hiranyakashipu.
এই মন্ত্রে অসুর দেবতা মন্ত্রে তিরস্মৃত মন্ত্র নাই।
During this Manvantara period, during this Manu's time, the fight happened, this battle happened between Bhagavan and his demons.
ये षष्ठ मनु अवसर पर सप्तम मनु शासन पीरियड चले।
Now seventh Manu, this time is going on now.
ये मनु का नाम श्राद्ध देव।
This Manu's name is
श्राद्ध देव।
Shraddha.
श्राद्ध देव जेहेतु वर्तमान सूर्यलोक रे जे देवता अछन तांका नाम विवस्वान। विवस्वान नाम तांका आगे नाम जे वैवस्वत।
Because he is the son of Suryadeva Vivaswana, so his name, other name is
वैवस्वत।
Vaivasvata.
सूर्यदेव का नाम है विवस्वान। विवस्वान का पुत्र नाम है श्राद्ध देव का आगे नाम है वैवस्वत।
So he is the son of Suryadeva Vivaswana, so his name is Vaivasvata.
ये मनु के शासन पीरियड होती 71 चतुर्युग। 71 चतुर्युग मध्यरु 24 नंबर चतुर्युग जो त्रेता युग से त्रेता युग रे भगवान रामचंद्र आसे।
During this Manu's period, 71 Chaturjuga, from this, out of this 71 Chaturjuga, 24th Chaturjuga, Treta Yuga, we call it as Treta Yuga. During that time, Bhagavan Ramachandra came.
साधारण लोग जानते हैं यही त्रेता है। वर्तमान में 28 नंबर चतुर्युग चले।
Now everybody knows this 28 Chaturjuga is going on.
कहीं एक बार उपदेशामी तांकर भगवान भागवतामृत शास्त्र कोट करे तो श्लोक उद्धृति दे से एक बार प्रमाण करते हैं।
So Rupa Goswami has explained this thing, quoting from Shastras.
भगवान उपदेशामी एक बार कहते हैं भगवान रामचंद्र आते हैं 24 नंबर चतुर्युग जो त्रेता है सही त्रेता है।
So he has mentioned that Bhagavan Ramachandra came during the time of 24th Chaturjuga, during the
24th चतुर्युग।
24th Chaturjuga, during the 7th Manu period, Bhagavan Ramachandra came in Treta.
वर्तमान 28 नंबर चतुर्युग चले।
Now 20th Chaturjuga is going on.
चतुर्युग नियम होती दाप प्रथम सत्य पर दाप पर त्रेता पर करे।
So in Chaturjuga, First is Satya, then Tritiya, then Dwapar, then Kali.
First Satya, then Dwapar, then
Satya, Dwapar, Tritiya, and Kali.
Kali. এইভাবে ভাবে 1000 চতুর্যুগের মধ্যে 999 চতুর্যুগ এই সত্তর পর দাপর দাপর পর ত্রেতা ত্রেতা পর কলি।
So 999 years
চতুর্যুগ
Chaturjuga.
এই
From the 28 Chaturjuga
in this cycle. In this cycle, first Satya, then Dwapar, then Treta, then Kali.
It's 999.
999
Chaturjuga.
each one.
So each year is
গোটেই চতুর্যুগ কেবল ব্যতিক্রম। 1000 চতুর্যুগের মধ্যে কেবল গোটেই চতুর্যুগ ব্যতিক্রম।
So
Exception.
out of 1000 Chaturjuga, only one Chaturjuga is exceptional.
সেই চতুর্যুগ বর্তমানে চালু।
Now that Chaturjuga is going on.
সত্তর পর দাপর আসবার কথা, সত্তর পর দাপর আসবার কথা, কিন্তু দাপর না আসে ত্রেতা আসে।
So after Satyuga, Dwapar supposed to come, but Dwapar didn't come, Tritiya come.
ত্রেতার পরে দাপর।
After Tritiya, Dwapar Yuga will come.
ଏହା ହେଉଛି ব্যতিক্রম।
This is the exceptional.
କାହିଁକିନା ସ୍ୱୟଂ ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ଭଗବାନ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଏଇ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ ଶେଷରେ ଅବତୀର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେଇଥିଲେ।
Because Bhagavan Krishna appeared in Dwapar Yuga. At the end of the Dwapar Yuga, Bhagavan Krishna appeared.
ତେଣୁ ଏ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ କଲିଯୁଗ ପୂର୍ବରେ ଯେ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ ଥିଲା ସେ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ ହେଉଛି ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ, ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ବିଶେଷ ଦାପର ଯୁଗ।
So before Kali Yuga, the Dwapar Yuga, what we have gone through, that Dwapar Yuga is a special one.
সেই ভগবান কৃষ্ণ দাপর যুগের শেষে আসি মাধুর্যময় লীলা প্রদর্শন করতেন, মাধুর্য সর্বোত্তম পরজ্ঞা রসন লীলা সে প্রদর্শন করতেন। কিন্তু জগৎবাসী ମାନଙ୍କୁ କାହାକୁ ଏ ରସ ଆସ୍ୱାଦନ କରାଇ ନଥିଲେ। ନିଜ ନିଜ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ଅନ୍ତରଙ୍ଗ ଶକ୍ତିମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସୀମାବଦ୍ଧ ଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ କୃଷ୍ଣ ପୁଣି ଆସିଲେ କଲିଯୁଗ ପ୍ରଥମ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ସେଇ ଭୋଜର ଇଏ ପ୍ରେମ ସମଗ୍ର ଜଗତବାସୀମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ବିତରଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ
Bhagavan Krishna came in Dwapar Yuga and showed conjugal measure for
ପାଗଳ ସ୍ୱେଟସ୍ ପାସ୍ଟାଇମ୍ସ।
Yeah. Bhagavan showed his pastimes during Dwapar Yuga, and this conjugal mellow, what he has not distributed in Dwapar Yuga, again Bhagavan Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the age of Kali and spread Bhagavan's name all over to everybody
through প্রেমানাম সংকীর্তন।
through Prem Nam Sankirtan.
এইপরি ভাবে আমরা ଦେଖିବା ଏ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱୟଂ ଭଗବାନ ଯୋଉ ଅବତାର ସ୍ୱୟଂ ଅବତାରୀ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ଦୁଇଥର ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡ ଦିନ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଇଏ ଦୁଇଥର।
So from this we can see that Bhagavan Krishna appeared two times.
एक स्वयं भगवान स्वरूप है, श्री कृष्ण स्वरूप है।
So one Bhagavan came in his own Swarupa.
সেই ভগবান স্বয়ং অবতারী পুনি ভক্ত ভাবনে আসেন চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু।
Again Bhagavan came as Bhakta Bhav, the mood of devotee came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the age of Kali.
এখানে আমরা গতকালি আমি সব আলোচনা করে সারিছি যে ভগবান রামচন্দ্র ভরত লক্ষ্মণ শত্রুঘ্ন আবির্ভাব সম্পন্ন।
Yesterday we have already discussed about how Bhagavan Ramchandra, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna appeared. Already it has been discussed yesterday.
आज ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା ମାତା ସୀତା ଦେବୀଙ୍କର ଆବିର୍ଭାବ ଏବଂ ଭଗବାନ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଙ୍କ ମହାନ ଭକ୍ତ ହନୁମାନଙ୍କର ଆବିର୍ଭାବ।
Today we will discuss how Sita Mata and Sita Devi appeared and how Hanumanji appeared. That we will discuss today.
ତ ସୀତା ଦେବୀ ପୂର୍ବ ଜନ୍ମରେ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଥିଲା ବେଦବତୀ।
So Sita Devi, before she became Sita Devi, before that her name was Vedamati.
କୁଶଧ୍ୱଜ ନାମକ ଏକ ମହର୍ଷି ଥିଲେ। ଏ ମହର୍ଷିଙ୍କର
Kushadhwaja.
কুশল
Mahasi Kushadhwaja. From Mahasi Kushadhwaja, the Siddhartha he came.
daughter of Maharaj Kushadhwaj, Mahasi Kushadhwaj. Her name was Vedavati.
Her name was Vedavati. Kushadhwaja's daughter was Vedavati. Before Siddhartha came, before that, she was Vedavati and she was the daughter of Mahasi Kushadhwaja.
महर्षि कुशध्वज एक कन्या जिते जात होते कन्या देखा कितने सुंदर थे महर्षि कुशध्वज चिंता करते ये पृथ्वी पीठ में एमती कौन व्यक्ति नहांती यार पति हवा उपयुक्त यार एकमात्र पति भगवान नारायण.
So when this Vedavati came to birth during that time, Mahasi Kushadhwaja thought she was so beautiful, nobody in this world who can marry her. Only Bhagavan Narayana can marry her. That Mahasi Kushadhwaja was thinking.
तेने बहुत सब राजकुमार राजा रानी सब आशे थे वेदवती को पत्नी को प्राप्त हुआ.
Different, many Maharajas they came to accept Vedavati as their queen.
किंतु महर्षि कुशध्वज कहारी हाथे निज कन्या वेदवती को समर्पण कर.
But Mahasi Kushadhwaja gave her daughter Vedavati to any Maharaj.
तेने एक राक्षस से वेदवती को अत्यंत आकृष्ट होते यही पर नतावा जो रात्रि जिते आयित अवस्था थे महर्षि कुशध्वज से अवस्था से आसी मस्तक छेदन कर.
So one demon he was attracted towards Vedavati, but as because Kushadhwaja did not allow him to accept Vedavati, so he came midnight when Kushadhwaja was taking sleep. During that time he thought he is dead.
तो पति करे एक परी पति देवन करे एक परी नियत हवा जो पति प्रता पत्नी अर्थात वेदवती का माता स्वामी के सहित स्वामिता है.
So when wife of Kushadhwaja saw that husband died, then immediately she also jumped to the fire and she also died.
कई पर भगवान वेदवती जो हाथ है पिता को माता उभय को साक्षात संपन्न कर से गृहरु छाड़ी चालिया के हिमालय सेटा को कठोर तपस्या प्रभाव नारायण प्रतिष्ठा प्राप्त.
So Vedavati, after finishing the rituals of father and mother, she left to Himalaya.
से जितने सेटा कठोर तपस्या में रत थे
When she was doing tapasya,
severe
austerity, when she was doing severe austerity at Himalaya,
एमती समय रावण पुष्प विमान दे से आकाश मार्ग करते जाता रावण.
during that time, Ravana was going just crossing Himalaya mountain by his Pushpa Viman.
एमती समय तांका दृष्टि जो पड़ेगा वेदवती उपसमुद्र से समय है से तार यात्रा पथ रोध कर अवतार.
So when Ravana saw Vedavati, he was attracted towards Vedavati and he turned his Pushpa Viman towards Vedavati and get down his mount of Vedavati.
रावण जितेबले वेदवती को सामने राशि उपस्थित भेले वेदवती ये तो गेस्ट हिसाब अतिथि हिसाब है तांको फल फल ये सब देले खाइबा.
So when Ravana came in front of Vedavati, Vedavati accepted him as a guest and served fruits.
जितेबले रावण पचारे तुम्हें नव যৌবন দশায় এই কাহিনী তপস্যা রয়েছে.
So Ravana asked to Vedavati, who are you and why you are doing this severe austerity. If you have such a wonderful figure, everything you have got skill, why you are doing so severe austerity?
ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଲଙ୍କେଶ ସମସ୍ତ ଦେବତା ମୋର ବୈଦ୍ୟତ୍ୱସ୍ଥ ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ହେଉଛି ସବୁଠାରୁ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍ ରାଜା।
I am the king of Lanka, I am the most powerful one, and all demigods, they have fear towards me.
ତେଣୁ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ପତି ହିସାବରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କର, ତାହେଲେ ତୁମେ ସାରା ଜୀବନ ସୁଖରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ କରିବ।
So you accept me as your husband, and your life will be successful, and you will maintain a nice life.
ବେଦବତୀ ସେତେବେଳେ ନିଜର ପରିଚୟ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ମୋର ପିତା ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ମହର୍ଷି କୁଶକ ରାଜା। କୁଶକ ରାଜା ମୋର ପିତା ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାତିରେ ସାହିତ୍ୟ ହେଉଥିଲେ, ଏକ ରାକ୍ଷସ ଆସି ତାକୁ ଭୋଗ କରିଥିଲେ। ତା ପିତାଙ୍କର ସହିତ ମାତା ସ୍ୱାମୀ କରି ସେ ଦେହରାଜ କଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଦୁଇଜଣଙ୍କୁ ସତ୍କାର କରି ମୁଁ ଏଠାକୁ ଆସିଛି ଭଗବାନ ନାରାୟଣ ପ୍ରକୃତ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ। ବହୁତ ଅବସର କରିଥିଲି ନାରାୟଣ
So she explained what has been done, how the devil killed his father, and how she did all rituals, and she came to get Bhagavan Narayana as his husband. For that she is doing this severe austerity.
ତେଣୁ ରାବଣ ସେତେବେଳେ ନାରାୟଣଙ୍କୁ ନିନ୍ଦା କରିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ, ମୁଁ ହେଉଛି ତାହାଠୁ ଅଧିକ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍।
Then Ravana offended Bhagavan Narayana, and he told, I am more powerful than Bhagavan Narayana.
ତେଣୁ ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ପତି ରୂପେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କର।
So you accept me as your husband.
ଏଇ କଥା କହୁ ରାବଣ ଏତେ କାମ ଉଦ୍ଦିକ୍ତ ହେଇଗଲା, କାମ ବଶତଃ ବେଦବତୀକୁ ପତି ରୂପେ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ବାମ ହାତ ଦ୍ୱାରା ତାଙ୍କର କେଶ ଧରିଲା।
So because of lusty desire developed in Ravana, so Ravana pulled the hairs of Vedavati.
ବେଦବତୀ ଏକ ଶୁଦ୍ଧ ପବିତ୍ର ଆତ୍ମା, ଯିଏକି ନାରାୟଣ ପତିକୁ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇ ପ୍ରଭୁ ତପସ୍ୟା ବ୍ରତ ଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ରାବଣ ଏକ ରାକ୍ଷସ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେଶ ସ୍ପର୍ଶ କଲା, ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବେଦବତୀ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହାତ ସେ ଅସ୍ତ୍ର ଭଳି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରି ତାକୁ ବାଳ କାଟିଦେଲେ।
So when Ravana pulled Vedavati's hair, and during that time Vedavati using on his right hand cut that hair.
ତେଣୁ ବେଦବତୀ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିଲେ, ଯେହେତୁ ତୁମେ ଏହିପରି ମୋତେ ସ୍ପର୍ଶ କରିଛ, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଏ ଦେହ ଆଉ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁନି। ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତୁମକୁ ଅଭିଶାପ ବି ଦେବି ନାହିଁ, ତେବେ ମୁଁ ଦେହ ତ୍ୟାଗ କରି ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଆସି ତୁମର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ପ୍ରାରମ୍ଭ।
So Vedavati told that this time I will not give you any kind of curse to you, but I will be the reason of your death in future.
ତେଣୁ ବେଦବତୀ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରାବଣଙ୍କୁ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଏହିପରି ଅଗ୍ନିଚିତ୍ର ରଚନା କଲେ, କାରଣ ସେ ବହୁତ ପାୱାରଫୁଲ୍ ଥିଲେ।
So Vedavati called the fire god, and he arranged everything.
ସେ ବହୁତ ଯୋଗଶକ୍ତିର ଅଧିକାରୀ ବି ଥିଲେ।
So she was having
ଏଇ
enough power in yoga shakti. So he brought fire god in front of her.
ଏହିପରି ସେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଚିତା ରଚନା କରି ସେଇ ଅଗ୍ନି ଭିତରକୁ ସେ ପଶିଲେ।
So he entered into that fire. He called fire god, and he developed everything, and he entered into the fire.
ଅଗ୍ନି ଭିତରକୁ ପଶି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନିଜ ଦେହକୁ ସଂକୁଚିତ କରି ଏକ ପବନ ଉପରେ ସେଠାରେ ପ୍ରଭାବିତ।
So his body became squeezed, and developed a lotus.
ରାବଣ ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦୁଃଖିତ ହୋଇ ପଦ୍ମ ବେଦବତୀ ଦେହ ଅଗ୍ନିଚିତା ପ୍ରବେଶ କରି ଏକ ସଂକୁଚିତ ରୂପ ଧାରଣ କରି ପଦ୍ମ ରୂପ ପ୍ରକଟିତ ହେଇଗଲେ, ତାହାକୁ ସେ ନେଇଗଲେ ପୁଷ୍ପମାନେ ବସାଇ ଲଙ୍କା।
So Ravana took that lotus flower and put it in his Pushpak Viman and went to Lanka.
রাবণ লঙ্কাକୁ ଆସି ତାଙ୍କ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସଭାରେ ଏହିସବୁ ଘଟଣା କଥା ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ଭାବେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରି କହିଲେ।
So Ravana came to his kingdom and explained what happened in front of his ministers and Senapati all there.
ମନ୍ତ୍ରିମଣ୍ଡଳୀ ସେତେବେଳେ ରାବଣକୁ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଲେ ଇଏ ପଦ୍ମକୁ ଆପଣ ସମୁଦ୍ରରେ ବିସର୍ଜନ କରିବେ।
So minister and others they advised this king Ravana that you throw this lotus into the sea, into the ocean.
ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀମାନଙ୍କ ପରାମର୍ଶରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ରାବଣ ସେଇ ପଦ୍ମକୁ ନେଇ ସମୁଦ୍ରରେ ପକାଇଦେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେଇ ପଦ୍ମ ଇଏ ଶିଳଧ୍ୱଜ ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ସୀତାଦେବୀଙ୍କ ପିତା ଯେ ଶିଳଧ୍ୱଜ ଯାହା ଜନକ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତ କଥା ହେଡ୍ ହିସାବରେ ଯାହାକି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଟାଇଟଲ୍ ସାଲ୍ ଅସଲ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଶିଳଧ୍ୱଜ। ଶିଳଧ୍ୱଜଙ୍କ ଯଜ୍ଞସ୍ଥଳୀରେ ସେ ଆସି ସେଠାରେ କନ୍ୟା ରୂପ ଧାରଣ କରି ଶିଶୁ କନ୍ୟା ରୂପ ଧାରଣ କରି ପେଟିକା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ।
So when Ravana threw that lotus into the ocean, and immediately that lotus went to Lord Janaka, whose name is Siladhvaja. So and there she found a small baby, and in front of he was doing that yajna. Raja Janaka was doing that yajna, and during that yajna, she entered there and she found herself as a baby.
ये जनक ଯାହାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ଶିଳଧ୍ୱଜ ସେ ଯଜ୍ଞ ଭୂମିକୁ ସମତଳ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲଙ୍ଗଳ ନେଇ ବର୍ଷଣ କରିଦେଲେ ସେ ଲଙ୍ଗଳ ଅଗ୍ରଭାଗ ଦ୍ୱାରା ପେଟିକା ଉଠିଥିଲା।
So that Sita Devi was inside a box, and that box was filled in that particular area. So when Raja Janaka Siladhvaja, he wanted to cross that land through Langara during that time, the age of that Langara crossed that box, wooden box, inside which Sita Devi was there.
ତେଣୁ ଏ କନ୍ୟା ଅପୂର୍ବ ସୁନ୍ଦରୀ କନ୍ୟା ଦେଖି ଏ ଜନକ ଆଣି ତାଙ୍କ ପତ୍ନୀଙ୍କର ତାଙ୍କ ରାଣୀଙ୍କ ହାତରେ ଦେଲେ।
So Raja Janaka took that small baby which was inside the box. He took that baby outside the box and gave to his wife,
queen।
his queen.
ये सीता ଯେହେତୁ ମଙ୍ଗଳ ଅଗ୍ରଭାଗରୁ ଏ ଜନକ ମହାରାଜ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହୋଇଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ସେ ମଙ୍ଗଳ ଅଗ୍ରଭାଗ ନାଁ ଅନୁସାରେ ଏହାକୁ ନାଁ ଦିଆଗଲା ସୀତା।
As because she came from the age of the plough, so that is why her name was Sita.
ତ ସୀତା ଅଜନି ସମ୍ମାନ କୌଣସି ମାତାଙ୍କୁ ଘରକୁ ସେ ଜାତ ହେଇନଥିଲେ।
Sita Devi has not come from any mother's womb.
ଏ ବିଷୟ ଧରଣୀରୁ ଉତ୍କୃଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ।
So she came from this earth.
ଏ ସୀତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଭଳି ଅଦ୍ଭୁତ ଜନ୍ମ କଥା ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କଲୁ।
So now we explain how Sita Devi took birth.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ଭଗବାନ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଙ୍କର ଏକ ମହାନ ଭକ୍ତ ହନୁମାନଙ୍କର ଜନ୍ମ ବିଷୟ ଆମେ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁ।
Now we are going to explain how Lord Hanumanji took birth.
ରାବଣ କଠୋର ତପସ୍ୟା କରି କେତେ ହଜାର ବର୍ଷ ତପସ୍ୟା 10,000 ବର୍ଷ ତପସ୍ୟା କରି
Ravana was doing severe austerity for 10,000 years
ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେବା ପାଇଁ।
to get blessings from Lord Brahma.
ଏହିପରି 1,000 ବର୍ଷ ତପସ୍ୟା କରି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଣ୍ଡକୁ ଏହିପରି ଅଗ୍ନିରେ ଆହୁତ କଲେ।
So 1,000 years he did severe austerity, and after that he gave one head to the for his fire sacrifices.
କାରଣ ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ ବୁଝିପାରିବା ରାବଣର 10ଟି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା।
From this we can come to the conclusion that Ravana was having 10 heads. Because each year, each 1000 year, he was giving 5 sacrifices, 1 head. So 10,000 year, 10 heads.
ଏହିପରି ପ୍ରତି 1000 ବର୍ଷ ଶେଷରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଏହିପରି ଅଗ୍ନିରେ ଆହୁତି ଦେଉଥିଲେ। ଏହିପରି 9000 ବର୍ଷ 9ଟି ମୁଣ୍ଡ ସେ ଅଗ୍ନିରେ ଆହୁତି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
So every year he was giving 1 head for fire sacrifices in this way. For 9,000 years, he gave 9 heads for fire sacrifices.
ଯେତେବେଳେ 10,000 ବର୍ଷ ଆଗକୁ ଯାଉଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଯେତେ କାଟିକି ସେ ଅଗ୍ନିରେ ଆହୁତି ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେମିତି ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଜୀ ହଂସ ବାହନରେ ସେ।
So when at the end of 10,000 years, when he was going to give his last head, 10th head for fire sacrifices, during that time, the Brahmaji came in front of him.
तो ब्रह्मा प्रथमे कहले जे तुम्हारा तपस्या अत्यंत प्रसन्न है कि वर प्रार्थना करो।
So Brahmaji told to Ravana that I am completely satisfied with your austerity, so please, you ask whatever your desire is.
এই অসুরমন্ত্র সভা কখনো তপস্যা করি বড়দাতাকে প্রসন্ন বিধানিত করিবে। বড়দাতাকে বড়দাতা চাইবে সে প্রথম এইবার মাগে অমরত্ব কিন্তু প্রাপ্তি।
So always all those are demons, they always try to do severe austerity to get something from the Lord, and only first that how they will not be tired.
ब्रह्माजी ନିଜେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ଅମର ନୁହେଁ କେମିତି ତୁମକୁ ଅମର ହେବ।
Brahmaji told to Ravana that even I will die, how can I give you that you will not die?
ତେଣୁ ଅମର ବର ଛାଡ଼ି ସେ ଅମର ବୋଲି ତୁମକୁ ମୁଁ ବର ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବି।
So I cannot give you that you cannot die in the whole life, but you can remain like that.
ब्रह्माजी ସେଠୁ କହିଲେ ଯେ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସୃଷ୍ଟ ये ब्रह्मांड जितने जीव केवल नर ये बानर छाड़ी दे आधार देवी तुम्हारा भय ना।
So Brahmaji told Ravana that you should not have any fear other than human being and monkey.
कहीं ये ब्रह्मांड जितने जीव सब ब्रह्मांड का श्रेष्ठ ब्रह्मांड का श्रेष्ठ।
Because in this universe, those who are taken birth in this universe, they are all created by Lord Brahma.
तो ब्रह्मा जी पहले देवता उनके देखे तुम्हारा भय नहीं, असुरों के देखे तुम्हारा भय नहीं, महासापों के देखे तुम्हारा भय नहीं, गंधर्वों के देखे भय नहीं, इंद्रों के देखे भय नहीं, कहाँ देखे तुम्हारा भय नहीं, कहाँ हाथ तुम्हारा मृत्यु होना केवल मरण भावना।
Other than human being and monkey, you should not have any fear. Even you should not have fear for deities, demigods, you should not have fear for demons, you should not have fear for snakes. You have no fear of anybody other than human being and monkey.
रावण ये वर अत्यंत प्रसन्न है ऐसे शांति कही जे मु एक अमरत्व प्राप्त है सारे कहीं ना ये मोर बाबर मोर आहार ये मैंने मत कौन करेगा।
So Ravana became very happy because he understood that this human being and these monkeys, they are my food. What they can do, so I can take them easily as I can replace them as my food. So they cannot do anything for me. That means I will never die.
यही परिवार ब्रह्मांड का तारा बड़ा प्राप्त है रावण समग्र त्रिलोक त्राही त्राही करो।
So when Ravana got this from Lord Brahmaji, then all three lokos, Swarga, Moksha, Patal, all three lokos, they started crying how they will escape from Ravana.
तेरे समस्त देवता माने रावण का देखी तत्वस्त है मैंने समय बड़ी करने समय शक्ति नहीं रावण को कम करेगा। तेनु से रावण के लिए संहार करा जो ऐसे लागे समस्त देवता में एकजुट हुए ब्रह्मा को अपने अभिषेक करें।
So these demigods, they don't know how to control this Ravana because they have so much fear for Ravana because Ravana was not at all listening to anybody. So they all went to Lord Brahmaji how to control this Ravana.
तेरे देवता माने जाए ये ब्रह्मा जी को कहले हे परमेष्टि आपने कृपा करी ये को व्यवस्था करंतु ये रावण को आमे माने केबेले हम के नियंत्रण को आनी पारिबा नहीं तेनु गोटे उपाय निर्धारण करंतु.
They all went to Lord Brahma. Yeah. And they asked that we cannot control Lord Ravana. So you just give some solution how we can control this demon Ravana.
सत ब्रह्मा जी देवता मन कहले जे मु जितना बर दर्शने एक करी कार के डर नहीं और भय नहीं केवल मनुष्य वानर को छाड़ दे विशेष उत्तम आनंद दे मनुष्य और वानर बोलते
So Brahmaji explained to demigods that I have given that he will not be killed by anybody other than human being and monkey, and he became so happy because monkey and human being will be their food. So it will be the food of Ravana. So that's why he was very happy.
एमिति समारे गौरव विष्ट आराध के नारायण चतुर्भुज आराध के से सवार आशु उपस्थित है.
So during that time, during that meeting, Bhagavan Narayana, he came and he attended that meeting.
सदा ब्रह्मा जी देवता मन में सब उपस्थित है भगवान नारायण के स्वागत करले एवं उत्तम भाव है उनका पूजा करले.
So all demigods, including Brahmaji, they welcome Narayana and they pay Dhadavat to Narayana and they do puja archana everything to Bhagavan Narayana.
देवता मन में सब ब्रह्मा जी सत्तवड़ा हाथ जोड़े नारायण पाके ये निवेदन करले केमिति ये रावण को नियंत्रण करे.
So Bhagavan Brahmaji, along with all demigods, they approached, they prayed to Bhagavan Narayana how to control demon Ravana.
तो भगवान नारायण संज्ञा में कहे देवता मन को कौन से चिंता नहीं मु चारि अंश विरोध है ये दशरथ मानव पुत्र का अभिता है अपनी एक रावण को संहार करेगा तो और ये 1000 वर्ष पर्यंत राजत्व करेगा.
So Bhagavan told the demigods and Brahmaji that I will come as son of Dasaratha. So my four expansion will come as son of Dasaratha, and I will kill Ravana, and for 1000 years I will be the king, and I do my शासन during that time.
11,000 years.
11,000 years.
लेतेरे प्रमाणित होती भगवान रामचंद्र जतरा आशिते 11,000 वर्ष से राजत्व करते.
So Bhagavan Ramachandra came and he ran the kingdom for 11,000 years.
यह के बाद राम राजत्व जो राज्य प्रजामान केवल आनंद
So that is called Rama Rajya, means the kingdom of Ramaji. During that time, the neighbors, the people of the kingdom were so happy. During when Ramachandra Mahaprabhu was the king of the kingdom.
एक भगवान नारायण एक अभय वाणी सुनाए संगे संगे से अंतरित है.
Like this, Bhagavan Narayana told and he left that. He disappeared from that meeting.
ब्रह्मा जी क्षेत्र देवता मान को निर्देश दे तुम्हें मान निज निज अंश से मानव रूप में जन्म ग्रहण करो एक भगवान रामचंद्र के लीला स्टार्ट.
So Bhagavan is Brahmaji instructed to the demigods that you people all to take birth as monkey and help Bhagavan Ramachandra to kill Ravana.
तो ब्रह्मा जी निजे मानव रूप में से निज अंश प्रकाश कर
Brahmaji
ब्रह्मा
came as Jambavan to help Ramachandra to kill Ravana.
ब्रह्मा जी का पुत्र.
So So Jambavan was the son of Lord Brahmaji.
ସେଇପରି ଭାବରେ ଭିନ୍ନ ଭିନ୍ନ ଦେବତା ନିଜ ଅଂଶରେ ଏହିପରି ବାମ ରୂପରେ ସବୁ ପ୍ରକଟ ହେଲେ।
So in this way, because they appear as monkeys,
ଯେମିତି ଇନ୍ଦ୍ର ସେ ବାଲି
Indradev came as Bali, son of Bali.
ବାଲି
Bali was the son of Lord Indra.
ଏଇଭଳି ଜାତକ ଠିକ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟଦେବ ଠିକ ସେହିପରି ଏକ ବାନର ସନ୍ତାନ ଜାତକ ହେଲେ ଯାହାର ନାଁ ସୁଗ୍ରୀବ।
Sugriva was the son of Lord Sun, Suryadev, son of
ଠିକ ସେହିପରି ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ ଇଏ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗର ବୈଦ୍ୟ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ବାନର ସନ୍ତାନ ଜାତକ ହେଲେ ନିଜ ଅଂଶରୁ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କ ହେଉଛି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ।
So Ashwini Dev,
ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ କୁମାର
Ashwini Kumar,
ଦୁଇ ଜଣ
two sons from Ashwini Kumar.
ଇଏ ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ ମାନେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ଦୁଇଟା ସନ୍ତାନ।
So two Ashwini Kumars, they two sons came from Ashwini Kumar. One is
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ର
Maitra and
another
another
is ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ।
Divika.
ସେହିପରି ଭାବରେ ଶିବଜୀ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ପତ୍ନୀ ପାର୍ବତୀଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରଭୁ ରାମଚନ୍ଦ୍ରଙ୍କ ଲୀଳା ସହାୟତା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୋର ଅଂଶରେ ମୁଁ ଏହିପରି ଏକ ମାନେ ବାମ ରୂପେ ଆସିଲି ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ୱରୂପରେ ମୁଁ ନୈଷ୍ଠ ବ୍ରହ୍ମଚାରୀ ରୂପରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ କରେ।
So Bhagavan Shivaji is explaining to Mata Parvati that I will come as a monkey to help Bhagavan Ramachandra and I will become Brahmachari.
ତେଣୁ ପାର୍ବତୀ ଏ କଥା ଶୁଣି ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦୁଃଖିତ ହେଲେ।
Parvati became so modest, listening all these things.
ଯେ ଲୀଳାରେ ମୁଁ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ।
She told, I will not take part in this Leela. Because Shivaji will become Brahmachari, how Parvati will take part?
ତେଣୁ ପାର୍ବତୀ ଶିବଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କଲେ
So Parvati prayed to Lord Shivaji.
ସବୁ ଅବତାରେ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଶକ୍ତି ରୂପେ ପତ୍ନୀ ରୂପରେ ସହାୟତା କରୁଛି ଏଇଥର ମୁଁ କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହାୟତା କରିପାରିବି।
So Parvati prayed to Lord Shivaji, in every incarnation I was always appearing as a strength, but in this incarnation how I can serve you?
ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ଶିବଜୀ କହିଲେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ତୁମେ ଯଦି ମୋର ଏଇ ଲୀଳାରେ ଅଂଶଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛ ତାହେଲେ ତୁମେ ମୋର ତୁଚ୍ଛ ରୂପରେ ଆଗତ କର।
So Lord Shivaji told, if you want to help me in this incarnation, then you will become my tail.
ଏଠାରେ ବୁଝାଉଛି ହନୁମାନ ରୁଦ୍ର ଶିବଙ୍କର ଅବତାର ଆଉ ହନୁମାନଙ୍କର ଲେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି ପାର୍ବତୀଙ୍କର।
So Hanuman is the incarnation of Lord Shivaji and the tail of Hanuman is the incarnation of Parvati.
ତ ହନୁମାନଙ୍କର ଲେଞ୍ଜ ଏତେ ପ୍ରଭାବଶାଳୀ ଏତେ ମାନେ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ତାହା ଆମକୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ହେବ।
So from that we can understand that how powerful Hanuman's tail is.
ଯେଉଁ ଲେଞ୍ଜ ଦ୍ୱାରା ସମଗ୍ର ଲଙ୍କାକୁ ସେ ଭସ୍ମିତ କରିବେ।
By that tail he completely smashed entire Lanka.
ଯେଉଁ ହନୁମାନ ये एक रास्तार ଉପରେ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ କରୁଥିଲେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡକୁ ବିଛାଇଲେ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଭୀମସେନ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଦ୍ରୌପଦୀଙ୍କ ଲାଗି ସହସ୍ର ଦଳଯୁକ୍ତ ପଦ୍ମ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ। ସେତେବେଳେ ରାସ୍ତାର ଉପରେ ହନୁମାନଙ୍କ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ପଡ଼ିଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଭୀମ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଅନୁରୋଧ କଲେ ଯେ ଏ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡକୁ ହଟେଇ ନେବା ପାଇଁ। ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଛତ୍ର ବେଶଧାରୀ ହନୁମାନ ସେତେ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ବାକ୍ୟତ୍ୱ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ ନିଜ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆଉ ବୁଝାଇବା ଶକ୍ତି ନାହିଁ ତୁମେ ୟାର ଡିଙ୍ଗିକିରି ଚାଲିଛି।
So when Hanumanji was sitting, when he was quite old, he was sitting and he was putting his tail on the road during that time. Bhimsen was going to pluck 1,000 lotus flower from Draupadi. So when Bhimaji saw that the tail is on the road, so he told to Hanumanji that you please take out that tail from the road so that I can cross that road and I can collect 1,000 lotus from this pond. During that time Hanumanji told, I am so old, I cannot take out my tail. You just cross that, you just jump that tail and go.
भीम एक संभ्रांत वंशर क्षत्रिय तेनी एई काम से पाइबा नहीं तेनी से प्रथम निज बाम हाथ ब्रेक करे लैंडर को विचारा पाए चेष्टा करे.
So Bhima was from Kshatriya family. He will not do this type of work, so he thought better to take out that tail from the road. So he put his left hand just to take out that tail from the road so that he can cross that road.
तो भीम एक भिन्न भाव बाम हाथ प्रयोग करे लैंडर को विचारा चाहिए पावे तापर दुई हाथ गरी विचारा के काज पावे क्षेत्र से विचारे को साधारण बामरो.
So when Bhimaji saw that he tried in his left hand but he did not succeed, then he utilized his right hand, then he also utilized both the hands, but he could not even move 1 inch that tail. Then he understood that this is not a general monkey, so he is something special.
तेने एठार आम विचार करवा भीम जहाँ पर देह इतना बड़ा थिला एकाकी धृतराष्ट्र स्वयं समस्त संहार करते रहे. तो सही भीम का देह हमें जानते 200,000 अस्थिर.
So we know that Bhima was having so much power. He was having power of 10,000 elephants power. He was having who killed 100 sons of Dhritarashtra.
तेने सही 200,000 अस्थिर बहुत संपूर्ण भीम को शक्ति प्रेम मारी गला हनुमान के लैंडर विचार करते.
So that Bhima itself could not even move 1 inch of that tail of Hanumanji.
तेने एठारे विचार को हनुमान के लैंडर को साधारण लैंडर में और शाखा पार्वती को.
So from this we can conclude that this tail of Hanumanji is not an ordinary tail, because it was the strength, because Parvati Devi's incarnation was the tail that is why it was having so much power.
तेने एठारे शिव अंकर शक्ति शिव शक्ति समन्वय रूप हो जाती है.
So here the union of Lord Shivaji's incarnation and Mother Parvati's incarnation is Hanuman.
तो सही हनुमान केमिति ये धरा पीठ जन्म लीला प्रदर्शन करेंगे यही कथा को भगवान ने आशा.
Now we come to know how Hanuman came into this planet.
स्वर्ग में एक अप्सरा थे जहाँ नाम कुंजिकास्त्र.
So from heavenly planet, one beautiful girl is, her name was Kunjika
कुंजिकास्त्री.
Sthali. Heavenly girl she was.
कुंजिकास्त्री एक अप्सरा जेकी कौनसी देव भोग सुख में लिप्त न थे सर्वदा सदाचार आचार आचरण उपासना एक हमारे लिप्त.
This Kunjika Sthali, she was not having any kind of lofty desires, so she was always doing how to maintain sadachar, how to maintain the etiquette. All this time she was always maintaining those things.
यदि हमें समझते जाने तो अप्सरा माने सर्वदा इंद्र पुत्र लिप्त.
We all know that those who are heavenly girls, they are always utilizing themselves for how to get pleasure.
किंतु ये कितने व्यतिक्रम थिले जे कौनसी इंद्र भगवान लिप्त न थे सर्वदा निजेको आचार आचरण में नियुक्त रखते सदाचार.
So always this Kunjika Sthali was always utilizing her how to maintain etiquette. She was not having any kind of lofty desire and she was not going for her bodily pleasure.
तेरे कुंजी का स्थल दिनर कौन है ये तो सुंदर रुद्राक्ष माला तैयार की
So one day she was preparing one nice mala, Rudraksha mala.
ये सुंदर माला के हाथ में भरिया से तंत्र गुरुदेव को प्रदान कर
So she took that mala and gave to her Gurudev.
गुरु के देवगुरु बृहस्पति
Her Guru was Brihaspati. Devaguru Brihaspati was her Guru.
देवगुरु बृहस्पति जितने बड़े ये रुद्राक्ष माला प्राप्त हुए तो प्रसन्न है गाले माला को देखी संगे संगे आशीर्वाद मिलते रहे सुपुत्रवती भव
So when Devaguru Brihaspati saw that mala, she was so impressed. He was so impressed, so he gave that you will get a nice son.
अच्छा टाइम है काली है का
So tomorrow we will discuss from here how he got that mala, and after that how Hanumanji will come. That we will discuss tomorrow.
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय सीता लक्ष्मण हनुमान जी की जय श्री श्री राधा गोपाल जी की जय सचिनंदन गौर की जय दशानंदन जगन्नाथ जी की जय जगत कृष्ण भगवान की जय बड़ी पाप सदगुरुदेव की जय शांत भक्तवृंद की हृदय गौर प्रणामी
His Holiness Daityari Purush Maharaj ki.
जय भगवत की Next day, I will discuss about happiness now. Today, time is over. Now, I will start.